Let me record in this one. All right, so it's recording. Let me go ahead and bring our dragon. I don't know if Mr. Wendo's here, but
Yes, sir. Let's get that dragon.
all right, you here. All right, ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. All right, all right, all right. Welcome back, everyone. This is Irvin here, aka TeamWithERVING. Welcome to another session. Today is August 11, 2020, making today a Tuesday. So what we're gonna be doing today is just a talk. Whatever question you may have, I'm gonna go ahead and answer it for you. So make sure before we start, I just wanted to give you the Forex disclaimer, right? Let me go ahead and bring it here. It is that I'm not your financial advisor. If you are looking directly for a financial advisor, you are looking at the wrong area. So I'm just another trader like you, trying to collect hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. So what, Mr. Wando? Watch. Mr. Wando just mute himself.
Pips.
I believe that. That's what we're here for. So again, this is our Tuesday Talk Trading Masterclass to improve our trading entries and make sure you never, ever, ever trade without rules. Let me go ahead and delete all these beeping, bing, bing, because that's gonna make me crazy. So we are gonna be trading our multiple time frame, and we are gonna be using 4 hours daily, weekly, and monthly, whatever. We are live on YouTube as well, so I know they're not gonna be able to participate as you guys are, because this is directly for our live session behind scene, but they're just gonna be able to only to see what we're doing here. All right. So Andrew, I already sent the link to the other channel. I know that you are on the YouTube area, but if you want to participate directly, you are more than welcome to go back to our Telegram group. All right. So let's go. It's time to start, right? So before I start, guys, I just wanted to let you know I had the other dashboard. I already had 2 dashboards ready to go, almost ready to go. This is gonna be the second one. So this one, the only funny thing is that sometimes the buy and sell will disappear, but it's just because it's reading both entry. It's giving you the 4 hours. Remember, all we care here in our area, we trade multiple time frame. We like to trade on 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. We make our determination based on our brothers and sisters, which is our signal we get triggered in here, and that's all it is. And I'm gonna show you another awesome trick that someone sent me and said, Irvin, I don't like the moving average. I wanna add moving average based on the settings that I have here, but that person wanted to use the moving average on 20. So I did the testing on 20. I did the testing on 50. It doesn't matter what you're gonna be looking, you're gonna see how amazing my stuff is. So yeah, but this is gonna give you the signal. See, look at here, 4 hours and daily is telling you what? Mr. Wando, go ahead and mute yourself. Let's start with you. What is this? Look at here, the dashboard will tell you here, right? It's a TeamWithERVING error radar. So it's gonna give you the indicator, I mean the signal of what the system is doing. Look as we speak right now, boom, it tells that NCD/USD is in a sell position in a weekly time frame. Wow, fine, but it's there. Oops, let me go ahead and click the wrong one. Let me delete this. Look at here, Mr. Wando. It's telling you 4 hours and daily is in a buy, a weekly and monthly is still in a sell position. So look, brothers and sisters come in, boom. Look, why is the market in a bullish position? Why is the 4 hours and daily telling you the market is in a bullish position? Can you see it? Look at that. What is this arrow represent, Mr. Wando?
Bullish.
That is a bullish market. But what do you think we are doing in this particular area here? Start with a P. What do you think it is? We are doing a pullback. Pullback means stop sign, right? That's what it means. You need to stop, take a break, go do something else, enjoy your family, whatever, but stay away. We look at, if my, all I can tell you guys, if the market is bearish, only trade bearish. If the market is bullish, only trade bullish market. Stay away from reversal. Reversal, yes, you can make pips, don't get me wrong, but most likely you will blow your account. This is one, hopefully this is gonna be straightforward. And the dashboard, guys, I'm gonna give it to you whenever you guys want to. The only thing that I'm gonna go over once again is that how we're gonna be reading the signal is basically any number below 5 need to be in yellow. The parenthesis is the pips. So that means 4 candle out of 637 pips on the monthly. That's a lot. So, but still, all the monthly in here are pretty good. When you see the numbers that is fade out, that means the signal is too late. We always want to see the signal to be in a fresh number below 5. Who was that? All right, let me mute Mr. Elliott. Before 5, and that's it. So, and I know when you guys put it in your template, this is what you're gonna do first. So I don't know if you have the magic arrow in a folder when you go into your MetaTrader folder. I don't know if you already create a folder under my name. If you did, I want you to copy the magic arrow and paste it anywhere in your indicator. It doesn't have to be in a folder. You just can just drop it anywhere. It doesn't matter. And then your dashboard, it has to go into the expert folder, and then make sure you select the auto trading tab in here so it can read the data, and boom, that's gonna be it. But how you guys, let me see if I can bring it up in here. 1 second. Actually, I'm doing it wrong. You can click here. Once you open it in here and you want to see the settings of your dashboard, always click on the happy face here on the name, and boom, it's gonna give you all the entries in here, and you can add whatever pairs you guys need, and that's it. Make sure, I don't know if your broker has an initial at the end or the beginning or at the end of the pair, always add that pair. In this instance, it doesn't have it, but I know Traders Way has an I at the end. Just I think it's a lower. I just don't remember, but I think it's an I, if I'm not mistaken. But every broker, it has a different way how they read the candles. And the time frame, remember, we are here for our multiple time frame. All we care is 4 hours daily, weekly, monthly. Remember, we are looking for 3 questions, right? First question is, what is my master trend doing? Second question is, what is my brothers and sisters doing? And third question is, what is my real time 4 hours doing? Because we are here trading only, and then just press OK. All right. So all the settings ready to go. Make sure you allow DL import, allow import and export, and so on, and that's it. And this is mine, by the way. All right. So, and then it's gonna read everything. Make sure whatever you have in there, press OK, and then it will go there. Because someone asked me, Irvin, but why don't you start telling everybody what happened in the past? I don't care what happened here. Let me make this smaller. Because a lot of people like to teach on old data. I don't care what happened here. I don't care. I know it's a buy, sell, sell. What is the real time market doing right now as we speak? This is USD Canadian. Real time market is in a buy position. Yes, it is. 4 hours is telling us, yes, market, it's going as a bullish market. All you have to do is go to any lower time frame, enter as a buy. But in here, you're going against the trend. That is bad business. But still, people like to teach, to be honest, all data. And they're always, I mean, they're always going to look good because they're going to be like, oh, yeah, this was on point. This was on point. I don't care about that. I care about teaching you guys real data. This is why I always do my analysis. If I have to analyze the market here, this is what I will say. Okay, market is gonna come back and retest our 23 Fibonacci line. From there, what is the market gonna do? Market is gonna continue what? Bearish, because the market is in a bearish position. But others like to show you what already happens in the past, obviously. I mean, you're gonna be impressed. You're gonna be like, wow, this thing is amazing. Now show me reality. Look, I'm gonna hang up this video with you guys, and then you guys gonna be in your own real time. Real time is all that matters to me. But this is gonna be the second one. All right. So let's go ahead and open it for questions. Oh, before we move on, let me show you one more thing. This is amazing. Let me go here. Where's my freaking folder at? Am I right? All right. Let me put it here. All right. Bear with me. Let me show you something pretty cool. You know, here we have the 100, right? So the one that I have right now is the 100. Someone asked me, Irving, but I want to see it on 50 moving average. Sure, go ahead and put it on 50 moving average. Let's say you put it on 4 hour. It doesn't matter. And then let me change the color real quick. This is gonna be awesome. Pay attention to this. We're gonna change the color on this one as, hold on. We're gonna do green and gold. Look, this is it, right? I think, hold on, let me put this, it's too thick. Okay, 4 hours. This is what I was telling the trader. It doesn't matter what you're gonna have. In my opinion, to be honest, I like to see, let me zoom in a little bit. I like to have a 100, because look, pay attention to this. This is the 100 and this is the 50, right? I think that's what I changed it. 50. So when the brothers and sisters come in, this thing goes, wow, look at this. Brothers and sisters come in, boom. It retested your 50 moving average, boom, on point. It went to your 100, boom, it was bullish. Both of them is bullish. It doesn't matter if you put it using my indicator. If you want to use the default moving average, that, yeah, sure, that's fine. You know, I like to use now the 13 and the 20 as a referral of support and resistance as well, only for the entries. I know where the market is heading, but it doesn't matter. Look at here again. Look at here, brothers and sisters come in as a bearish position. Here's the 50, here's the 100, boom, right on point, sell. It doesn't matter. Even if you go here, look at it, green, lime. Look at here, red, yellow, boom. So that's one thing that this guy was debating with me. It was like, Irving, you should do this. I mean, I was like, dude, you just do whatever you want to do, but it's still gonna give you the same thing. So why would you need to be adding a whole bunch of stuff? I would rather add those two default NT4 moving average, and that will help you out better. But I mean, that's me. Let's go to questions then. I don't remember who was the person that asked me to go over about the stop losses. The stop losses that I use is anything over 30 to 60 up to 80 pips. So let's say, before we put you on the question, let's say you're gonna enter here as a buy, right? When you see the brothers and sisters come in, give it up like 20 to 40, 80, 60, give it some room to breathe. So let's leave it in there in case the market spike down, then it will not take you out. Obviously, this is a bearish position. So you're still gonna be in the trend. As soon, guys, pay attention to this one. As soon as you are making money, secure some pip, move your trailing stop. If your stop loss is here and you're already in 20, 30 pips, please move it, at least secure 10 pip in case something happens. Look at here. Here would be a nice winning ratio. And then look at who comes here, 4 hours. Real time right now is telling us, yes, the market is going in continuation of the brothers and sisters, which is fine. So the market, our USD Canadian, still in a bullish position. So I don't see anything yet telling me, Irvin, it's time to enter in the market as a bearish. A lot of people like to enter in the market ahead of the signal. I mean, you can do whatever you want, it's your account, but I'm just giving you a better entry. Always wait for the signal to come to you. Don't chase it. If you are gonna chase it, you are gonna regret it. There is one person that I need to give a shout out before I forget. That's Mr. Frank. Yeah, Mr. Franks. He said, Irvin, can you start putting, whenever you are gonna be doing a trading, can you send it to us, to the chat room, so like that we can get to see it? I think Drew, also from Germany, also sent me the same message a couple of days back. And look, today was a very, very successful day. So I saw that you guys were making money on the SAR pair, and that I don't even know what it CAR stand for, to be honest. Oh, I saw it was a great pair to trade, and boom, we all make money together. I think I took 6 or 7 trades this week. Out of 6 or 7 trades that I took this week, guys, I'm losing only on one. But I know that one, I think it's the GBP CHF. I know that one will go on my favor. When is that gonna happen? I think I'm on, I had 3 positions on that one. I'm already on 35 pips on one, but 2 of them still are negative, but I know I'm on the right direction. It just is, you have to have patience. Patience is the key in this business. If you don't have no patience, I mean, you got no business. But anyway, let's go ahead and open to the public. But this is the analysis that I did on Sunday. I told you guys on Sunday, the market, this one I'm gonna come back tomorrow and share it live with YouTube. But look at this one, guys. Look at this. Oh my God, I'm telling you, man, this multiple time frame is a beast. Real time. I like to teach people only real time. I don't care what happened here. I just don't care. Look at here. Market, brothers and sisters told us, yes, the market is coming as a bearish. Boom. Look at that. I told you on Sunday the market was gonna drop. You're here with me, watching me live. This is a live trading idea, right? Look at here. Boom. It hit exactly what I told you. And then what did I say from there? The market was gonna reverse and retest R50 Fibonacci line. Look at this candle here. Boom! It hit exactly what I told you. What did I say from there? Market was gonna continue bearish. Right now, it's just sitting in there. Look at that. Actually, give you more pit, which is fine. But look at here, still. So I'm just waiting right now. Look at this 4 hours here, telling the market still in a bullish position. So I have not seen any signal yet telling me, yes, Irvin. Now, if I had to analyze this from scratch, which I'm gonna do it with you because this is Tuesday, right? Anyway, we're gonna come back tomorrow. So if I had to refix this, yes, look at it, market pairs, exactly what I told you. And then what did I have to say next? We're gonna leave it in there. Because look at here, it works. It came exactly what I told you. Let's look it up at one more. USD JPY. I think it was Mr. Randa who said, Irvin, thank you so much. I was waiting for your analysis before I entered on any of the trade. But remember, guys, these are not signals. I mean, the system works, but I don't do signals because I don't want you to be depending on me. You can ask me any question. You can ask the group any question. Now we can share idea. If I win a trade, we're all gonna win it together. If I lose a trade, we're all gonna lose together. But as you know, in this business, is that's part of doing business. You cannot win 100%. But look at here. I told you on USD JPY. I told you on Sunday what the market was gonna do a reversal. It was gonna be in a bullish position. Here's the 4 hours. Look at what brothers and sisters telling you. Yes, Irvin, the market is in a bullish. And I said that, yes, the market was going to come back and retest our 50 Fibonacci line. Look at that. It paid you so many pips in there. If you still have your trailing stop, you still would have been looking good right now. So what it's going to do next, to be honest, it's going to reverse, retest our 38.2 Fibonacci, and then market will continue as bullish. It's a damn bullish market. Let's do one more, and then we'll go to question. Because I'm giving you real time, guys. I am making nothing up. I don't need to do that stuff. Always real time. And by the way, what I always, I'm compiling a list, guys. Let me show you this one to the world. Because anyway, look at this. There was this guy. I already make this guy here. I got respect for this trader here. This trader here was having so much difficult time to learn the system. And the system is very straightforward, but some people had a hard time. And so we were going back and forth, and finally, all he wants to make is only 60 pips a day. And look, I already made the 60 pips profit. Boom, that was fast. And then I just said, congrats, I give him, I just said the boom, boom thing, which I like it, right? Look at here, look at this other trader here. This other trader here, look, done for the day, thanks to whom? TeamWithERVING. This is trading with multiple time frame system. And by the way, I know we are live on YouTube, guys. Guys, if you guys want to join our YouTube, there is a join Go membership on YouTube. Go ahead and join if you want to take a look at it, how we do the one-on-one with other traders. Just the class alone is worth $159. That's what traders pay me. Some traders' money is not an issue, so they still want to get trained with me one-on-one behind scene. But what I'm doing now is I'm recording those one-on-one and I'm posting it for you guys. The reason I had this created, this Go membership is in there is because in this business, unfortunately, there's a lot of scammers. So I'm trying to avoid all these scammers to rip you guys off. If you ever gonna hear something from me, you're gonna hear it directly from me. You're gonna see my face, gonna have my baseball hat, whatever. Gonna have my wine, which is what? What's today? Deer Park water? Refresher, right? So you're always gonna hear it from me directly. So please be careful. Never trust anything unless it comes directly from me. But it's in there. You can get access to those one-on-one worth $159. If you want to get the multiple time frame, send me a private message and we can rest. Look at this other one. TWE TeamWithERVING. We have a call for your analysis signal. Boom, boom, much appreciated. Look at how happy these guys are, guys. Look at that. Look at that. So freaking happy. Look at this. More money, more money, more money. Look at this one. This is our system. Look at that. This is my favorite pair. And now this trader love this pair. This pair, USD peso, is paying for the renovation of my house. And I still, look, next week, guys, I'm not gonna do next Tuesday class, neither on Wednesday. Most likely I'm gonna come back on Thursday because the contractors are coming back and they need the entire house. And I know they're gonna be making a lot of noise and gonna be a lot of dust and so on. So I need to go rent a hotel somewhere. So most likely I'm gonna go to the beach. I gotta take a family in there, and but most likely I will not have that class. But look at that, all those success. Look at this one, boom, boom, boom. Look at this, USD peso. Now that's his favorite pair, making money out of it. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you. Look at that, gorgeous. But I'm compiling this list, but that's what it is. Hopefully all this makes sense. But let's go ahead, open 2 questions. And we're gonna start with the favorite hundreds and hundreds of pip, which is Mr. Wando. Mr. Wando, you got any question for the group? We are live on both social media. We are live with you guys directly. You guys can get to ask me a question on Zoom, and YouTube is also on, is live as well, watching us behind scenes. But what question do you guys have for me today? Who wants to go first?
No, I don't have questions. I'm good.
All right. That was good. That was good that you said what you just said. There was another trader, another person that sent me a message and said, Irvin, I saw one of your video where you asked your group if they have any question. Instead of them asking questions, they said, no, Irvin, I got it. It's that simple. It's not complete. You don't overcomplicate this stuff. If the signal come in, just take the trade in your favor. If it's not there, just walk away.
Right.
That's simple, right? How can you describe the world how we used multiple time frame? Because they're watching you right now and they listen to you. Are you there? All right, so he left. All right, let's go to the next one. Let's see who wants to ask question. Who wants to go next? Anybody?
Hey, Irv, I want to go next.
That is, who are you?
It's Elliott.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. Oh yeah, Elliott. What's going on, Elliott? What's your
Hey, how you doing? I'm fine. I'm fine. I just wanted to talk about asking you a question about timing. Could you pull up the Audi NZD chart for a second, 4 hour?
Yeah, sure. What are you doing on that particular pair?
I just well, there's a sell signal, and the master trend is down.
Mm-hmm.
And my question just is, like, we're in like a slow time. Would you wait until London or a little bit after London? If it still looked good, then you would enter, or?
Wow, your question is really good. And I know we are live also on YouTube. Guys, pay attention to this one. Always, totally forgot always to mention that. Always pay attention what the info plus. This info plus is free, guys. Whoever's watching behind scene, all this is free on the marketplace. So it gives you the timing of the Sydney, Tokyo, London, New York. The only thing that it doesn't give you is the Frankfurt, but it's there. Look at here. The only session that is open right now is only Sydney. So that's where Mr. Elliott asking if the timing is correct. So I really don't like the Sydney time, but I mean, the signal is right.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this one. You are correctly. Perfect example. I think we had last time when we went live, our weekly was missing. It was a big cap in here, but look at how gorgeous this setup is. Every single multiple time frame is lined up perfectly correct. So now this one, in my opinion, if I'm gonna lose a trade, I want to lose a trade and going in favor of the trend. So this is a gorgeous and amazing trade to take. Remember, we're not giving any signal, but based on what your question is, I really love this pair. This pair is in a sell position, guys. So what I would ask you to do is wait 1 or 2. What do you think you're gonna wait here? Let me put this. Come on. Where's the pen? What do you think you're gonna wait here? 1 or what? 1 or 2 what?
Little dots.
Mm-hmm. 1 or 2. Most likely there will be another candle here, reversing, reconfirming.
Right.
Or 1 or 2. Then that's when it's gonna trigger. But yes, I love it. I like it. This is a good one, guys. This is what the group is asking hungrily. I think Mr. Franks, who was the other person? I forgot. There was another trader. I think it was Mauricio, if I'm not mistaken, or Alejandro. One of those two guys asked the same question, but this is gorgeous. Look at here. Why is the market in a bullish position? It's because it gave us a signal that was, Mr. Elliott, can you explain that? What was this buy represent?
Well, that represents a pullback.
Correctly. Now we got the signal of what? What does this signal represent now?
Well, that's going with the master trend.
Bingo. That's it. I love it. Look at here. This one is good, brothers and sisters. Boom, right on point. If you put your arrow here and you go down, boom, 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 you hit that. But like I explained early, wait 1 or 2 more candles. So most likely those 2 dots in here will form and we are in a sell position. That is an awesome one. This is good. Are you in this trade or you just put it in your?
No, I'm just no, I'm not in the trade because there's also news tonight, NZD news tonight. So, but I just wanted to talk about that in general, because I usually don't trade till after London, a little bit after London, maybe early New York. But all of a sudden I'm seeing things set up, you know, toward the end of New York or the last hour, and it's just better to wait to get a couple of dots so that resistance is a stronger level,
Yeah.
and then go for it, like you said.
Yeah, look at this one. This is nice. Look, it came and retested all this area. So this is a double tapping here. Boom, boom. So that drop is gonna be gorgeous. I mean, if it I mean, look, the signal's right.
Right.
If it continued down, oof. Last time the market was bullish was back in March 12, 2020. And then they give us a bearish position confirming with the monthly on May 19 and reconfirm it on June. So yes, look, actually the market is dropping. If I'm gonna, look, this is what I love to lose on the market. I love to lose in the market only going on the right direction. And here you are correct. I mean, I don't know how else we can explain this to the world. You are correct in here. Look at how multiple time frame it is. Obviously, the market is dead. It's not moving. Look at it right now. It's just sitting on 1.08543. It's sitting in there. It's not doing anything.
You know, what's really great about your multiple time frame system is that once you see the master trend, that's really game over. Now you know the direction that you're going, and you just wait until it sets up, and then boom, you're taking a trade and making some money.
Yep, I love it. Good job.
Thanks, sir.
This is a good one. Are you in any other trade? Because you have found a great one here.
No, I'm not, because I was at the doctor's all day. But another one that's just setting up looks like it's the Cad Yen.
All right, let's take a look at it. I love this one. I love this, but let me write it down because I'm not even on this trade. I don't think I am. But guys, write this down. This is a good one. If you guys want to enter on this trade, wait for the New York or the London session. Most likely, if it drop heavy, you guys gonna lose a couple pips, which is fine. But wait for that reversal. But there's a lot of opportunity in this one. This is great. Before I go to Canadian Japanese, let me go and show you previously how much pips this market dropped here. Let's say you enter on this one somewhere in here, and you would exit on this 4 hours a day. That's 236 pips. Could be $23,000, could be $2,036, could be $23, could be a lot of money, could be a lot of money. And this is only one trade. Can you imagine you would have 1 or 2 or 3 trades? Boom, that's a damn pretty good income. But the market here pay you still 259. Look, that's what I love. This is what I love 4 hours and daily. Get out, game over, and don't do anything. This is what I call Mr. Fernando entry. The 4 hours continuation going with whom? Going with these guys here. Boom, make more money, go back and forth. This is for the people that love to do scalping the market. So you can get out on the reversal and get back in on the 4 hours going with the trend. But this is good. But only thing that you have to wait. Well, let's look what Canadian Japanese is doing here. If it works, because now they don't want, this pair don't want me to teach you guys how to behind it. But what is the trend on this pair here?
On the wait a sec. So it's bullish. The master trend is bullish, and we had on the 4 hour. We first had just a 4 hour arrow, but then over the 4 hour arrow came the brothers and sisters. They're there, but it's hidden.
Yeah, this is not a good one.
And how come?
Look, it's too late. Yes, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. Yes, it's bullish, right? So Now, what are you seeing here? I don't know what you're seeing in your NT4. What does that represent?
Oh, right. I'm sorry. So yeah, that's wrong. That represents a sell and the master trend is bullish. So it's not a good one.
So, but to explain everyone, because look, you know what you're talking about. Some other traders know what you are talking to, but some others, they need explanation. Explain them with details.
Okay, well, the basic rule of your system is we're trading in the direction of the master trend. And the master trend is when the 4-hour, daily, weekly, and monthly all line up. And then you wait for an arrow, a brother and sister, or 2 arrows, one's a daily and one's the 4-hour in the right direction, the direction of the master trend, and that's what you go for.
So this particular one is, what is this one doing here?
That's saying sell. But the master trend is, yeah, my mistake. The master trend is bullish.
Right. So
So
this is
that's not a trade. I looked at it real quick and I blew it. That's not a trade.
But that's good. You see, that's good that we do this live session, because sometimes we look at this chart real quick, guys, and we make mistake. We're human. So the good thing is, look at how this the signal will give you everything exactly what it is. Obviously, I'm gonna look good showing you back data. I really don't like to do that, but it's there. Look, buy, sell, buy. This represent what? This represent, guys, start with a P.
Oh, pullback.
Pullback. So pullback equal what? Stop sign. Stop. It means stop. You going against whom?
The master trend.
Yeah. And if some people will trade it, they're not gonna, they don't have no AA game, they don't got no rules. And yes, sometimes the market will pay you very well, but I would rather let all the traders for some other platform to take those pullback and make money. But I'm not interested, because I had lost money going against the trend, and it really hurts. I would rather lose money with pride, and I will know where I make that mistake, instead of just training every single movement I see. The only thing that I do here for the live for YouTube is when I come every Saturday and Sunday, I give the world every single movement of what the market is doing. Why I do that? Because they don't know exactly what we know behind scene. So, but if the market is doing a pullback, I just tell them the market is in a buy, is in a sell. If they want to join us, that's different. They're gonna know how we trade really behind scenes, because they will get impressed on exactly what I give them behind scenes. I mean, with the Fibonacci, but it's there. It's there. But you know, based on that rule here, Mr. Elliott, that you got no business here.
Right, exactly. My mistake.
That's good. That was a good one. Those two ones is a good one. All right, thank you so much. Let's see if anyone else want to ask question. Francis says a pullback. Dorian said it was a bullish. Yes, Dorian, you were right. Mike, you know Mike, my respect to Mike. I remember Mike, I know you, probably you at work, but Mike, I think he hired me. I mean, I teach him 3 times the 101, and it got to a point, to be honest, where I thought Mike was not gonna make it. And I thought, this business was not for Mike. And all suddenly, this guy, after his third class, boom, now he's a beast. He started making pips and pips and pips, going with the trend. And they make, at the end, it's like never give up, guys. No matter how hard you think it is, it's just sometimes the light bulb doesn't light up at the right time. It's just that time. But now, congratulations, Mike. You are doing an amazing stuff. So he's saying the NCD has a news tonight. Look at this. He's way beyond I mean, he's a pro now. So, but congrats. So, all right. So Sasha prompts. Yeah. Any other one? I think we need one more one-on-one. Look at what Top said. Todd, there's 101 on the Go membership area. Watch those videos. Those will help you. If you still need more help from there, the only thing, Todd, that I will do if we do 101 is I will record it for future traders that come in so they can learn from you as well. Unfortunately, some people, they don't like to see the one that I did before. They want to be trained in real time because that's some of them like to talk to me as well, but it is what it is. All right, so let's go. And Mr. Harold, it's your turn. Let's go.
Good afternoon. How you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thank you.
Good, good. Hey, I don't have anything in particular. I just been watching. My system had went down last Wednesday, so I've been watching on the Telegram, and I'm so proud of this group. I mean, they've been killing it. I just been watching and watching everybody, and the training is just on par. But the one thing I did notice it made me be patient. It's something I wasn't being in the beginning, was patience. So from Wednesday to Monday, I didn't take a trade. I just sit and watched everybody. And I was so proud of the group because of what they were doing. And I took my first two trades today, and I watched about 10 of them before I even took those two, and I won both of them. So the thing I've learned more and more out of this is just being patient.
Yeah.
It comes to you with patience. So I commend you, and I mean, I trust the process.
Yep. Trust me, man. Look, at the end of the day, the market is only going to do two things, guys. It's only going to be either bullish or bearish. The only way that you will never, ever learn this business is one. Let me show you. The only way that no one won't be very successful doing this is blowing the candle exactly how you are seeing it right now. Look, everyone will tell me, Irvin, the market here, let me put this line here. The market here is, look, this high and high, then low and low. The market is going sideways. No, it's not. No, it's not. You just looking at the wrong picture. Market here is either bullish or bearish. You just don't know what you're doing. And unfortunately, they don't want to leave those garbage. They had learned somewhere else behind. I'm not saying it's you guys, but I had trained over 500 plus traders in this business, and some of them don't want to leave the old style they used to trade. It's like, look at how simple this stuff is. We look at here, boom, Mr. Elliott already told us what the market was doing here. Boom, he knew what was doing. Now all we know is, boom, the market is bullish, and then even if you zoom in back to normal, he will know. We know here market is in a pullback position. That means it's a stop sign. You need to stop. Go and chill with your family, do something else, but don't be in it, because we don't know how far it's gonna go. Look, it's fighting so heavily, trying to come down. But who's really in charge here? The bullish market. So
The trend is your friend.
It's a damn true statement. The trend is your friend until it bends. Why it says always that it will bend? It will bend. It will bend in where? What do you think it will bend? On this, guys. That's when it bends, on reversal.
Right. Yeah, on reversals when it bend. And I mean, you just gotta be prepared for it and get out the way.
That's it.
You know, and that's what I'm learning, that patience. I tell you, this last couple of days has really developed that patience. And I've been watching a lot of your old videos, and I'm saying, man, this guy just on point, and it's just helping me become a better person overall, as well as a trader. And I love this group. I mean, I sit and listen to these guys all day long. I don't talk a lot or chat because I'm 65 years old, so I ain't into that tweeting and twitching and stuff like a lot of these young guys are.
But no, Mr. Listen, age doesn't matter. Look, in this business that we are in, you guys are very, very intelligent. Your knowledge is way beyond wherever level that you thought you were gonna be. There's some other trader older than you are, and look, it amazed me also how much knowledge they have on this one. You guys really, your brain right now is so active, like a 14, 15 years old kid, because you know way too much. And having patience, you know, the key in this business is patience. Forex equal patient. You have no patience, this business will humble you, will put you down, and will put you, oh my God, it will humble you. So, but patience is everything. But
it is.
Yeah, but you know, I'm very proud of you, of your success. Just keep doing what you're doing. keep learning and enter only when you feel that you're gonna hit the trigger, because the trigger is only gonna be a bullish buy or sell. It's never gonna be a sideways market. It's never gonna have any other name. It's always gonna be buy, sell. It's never gonna be anything else.
And I appreciate everything you're doing. I mean, the support that you give this group. I tell you what.
Ah, look at that. I didn't want to say that. Hold on. I didn't want to say the age of the person. I really didn't want to say it, but he said it. Look, he just said it. Fernando, Fernando, I didn't want to say your name. Right, look at it. This is Fernando, right? I call this Fernando. Look, he just said it in there that he is 68 years
I know,
old.
I seen it. I seen him on the
Yes,
I was gonna get in contact with him to make sure we hook up.
I'm telling you, I didn't want to say his name, but look, Fernando is a brilliant trader. My respect to Fernando. Fernando, look, I had done several one-on-ones with him behind scene. He helped me also to work on this one back testing in the past. Telling you, this guy is amazing. The knowledge that you have gained in this business is tremendously. Just be proud of yourself. Trust me. Sometimes you guys know more than me, but I just keep it low. I go like, wow, I didn't know that you know so
You
much.
know what I remember? The first training I took from you, and you told me when you first got into this, all you wanted to do was make $5 a day.
Yep.
And I remember that. If I make $5, I get out of it some days.
Yep.
I made my goal. That's all I wanted. So every day, if I make $5, you know, that's it. I'm thankful, God. Just give me $5, and then tomorrow I'll come back and I may make $20. You know, so I've learned that just to be humble with what you get.
Right. That's good. That's
So I
good.
thank you much.
No problem, but keep it up. Thank you, Fernando. I didn't want to say, well, it was you, but you are an amazing trader. Really, look, that's what I call this pullback. This is because of him, and I have to give him credit. I have to give credit to him. I know the shout out that I have to give today is to Mr. Franks. Who else? Mr. Drew, I think it's Andrew as well. I have my respect to you guys. This reversal here, I call this Mr. Fernando's tragedy, because he's the one who taught me this. I knew the money is here, but he said, Irvin, I want to take my money here. I don't care about what happens on this reversal here. I really no, this is bearish, right? So he wanted to enter here, get out here, wait, re-enter here, get out here, wait, and repeat the same thing over and over, because he liked to trade with the trend. That's good. So my respect to that. And I know we are live on YouTube, guys. So if you guys want to join our Gold membership, go to the YouTube, join and watch those one-on-one. If you really want to grab a multiple time frame, send me a private message into my Telegram. Then we make money in the other side together as a team. Let's go. Let's go to one or two more questions, because I don't know how long we've been live. 1 hour, but I know I think we're like 20 minutes, like 40 minutes recording this. Let me see who else. Dorian. Thank you, Mr. Harold. Appreciate it. So I will take the next call.
Appreciate you, brother.
No problem.
Hey,
All right, Mr. Dorian. What's going on? What's your question for today?
well, it's not a question, it's advice, something that I learned on my own. It's important that you put on the trailing stop on all your orders, really. Can you put on can you press Control Y? Get on your period separators.
Hold on. I don't use that, but yeah.
So let's say you're in a bullish market and you're gonna buy. You're only gonna buy.
Mm-hmm.
You look to the previous day's high, right? That high, you know that price is gonna. If you're in a clear trend, price is gonna smash through the prior day's high. That could represent your 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. How I learned how to trade. So your first order, you could get out of your first order once it hits the prior high of the previous day, and then you could have a second order, and that one can be your runner. Yeah, that's what I do, because I've had about 12 trades already. I've only lost 2 of them, and your system,
Oh,
yeah,
congrats, man.
your system, it really works. It helps to determine what the master trend is.
Yep.
It makes it easy. So I combine that with how I learned how to trade before. I used I customized my Fibonacci on the MT4, but I used that as well.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Control Y. I didn't even know about that one.
And then you could get a show weeks indicator. It'll show.
Oh yeah. I don't like the show week. I would rather do this one because the show week, it will have a lot of text on it.
Mm-hmm.
And that kind of confused me. I would rather, because look, I know exactly. We know here in this particular trade here, we love to trade with the trend.
Mm-hmm.
Boom. So we know here we're in a bullish. We're just looking only for bullish. And look, if this one, let me take this off. Look, this is so freaking simple. Look, we're looking only for this guy, this guy, this. We can count the entries so easily. 4 entries in there. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Simple. Now we can use Mr. Fernandez's strategy here. Say, okay, Irvin, I'm gonna go with the trend. Let me go only in trade. Look, this is so simple. But this Fibonacci, they work on point. That's why I created this indicator, guys, to be the most respected support and resistance, the most respected one. And it works very religiously with your Fibonacci.
Yeah, because I like the way Fernando trades. That's how I like to trade. I want to trade every well, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then get out of the trading when you see the opposing arrow, and then with that last 4-hour arrow right between the J and the P, you're going to catch that large move.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was good. That was good. Thanks for the tip, man. That I know some of the traders that can help is Control Y, guys, and that will give you the separated one. And then if you want to remove it, just hit Control Y again, and boom, it will remove that as well. But that's a good one. Thank you so much. All right, good. All right. So any other question, guys? Let's see what Euro GBP is doing, because I give you guys this on Wednesday. Look at this one. This is good. I told you on this was Sunday, right? Oh, I gotta do gold. I know this is for tomorrow, but oh my God, I love this stuff, man. Look at this. I told you guys the market was not ready. It was still gonna be 1 or 2 more candle. But look, the market, I said the market was gonna be in a sell position. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. Euro GBP. Look, brothers and sisters just showed up right now as we speak. But I don't care. It's not fully ready yet, telling me, yes, Mark, take off. Look, brothers and sisters come in. Look at how beautiful this one. Boom, it hit that. But this now is a pullback. But we're going to analyze this one tomorrow. Let's check gold. Someone was sending me, what was your analysis of gold? Okay, let's do gold. Because I don't remember, man. But I think gold was a great one. I don't know if you guys were trading gold. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Freaking amazing. I'm telling you, TeamWithERVING, guys. My God. This is what makes me proud. Look, oh my God. You are trading with TeamWithERVING. This is our multiple time frames. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Look at how beautiful this stuff is. And I know I didn't want to say anything about this. I say on Sunday, guys, no, this was Saturday, my bad, Saturday. I say, okay, guys, the market is not fully ready yet. We're still gonna see 1 or 2 more candles here. Then we're gonna see a sell position retesting or breaking the 23.6 Fibonacci line. Why did I say that? Look, I'm gonna tell you right now, we live. Why did I say that? Because I saw all these, look at here, 4 hours, this monthly here. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous stop sign in here. I thought this was gonna stop there. And that's what I didn't want to say 23 exactly. I said I was gonna break that because I knew there was a lot of good areas in there. and then it was gonna do a reversal. No, the market, boom, it hit so freaking heavy. Now, listen to this, guys. Gold has been bullish for 2 full years. No one is talking about this. No one is talking about this. I thought the market was going to be reversing from this particular area here. Look, I've been telling you gold for months and months and months. Every single movement that I'm telling you so far, thanks God, multiple time frame is being on point. But look at here. I mean, market, we in a bearish. This has dropped so freaking much. This is a lot of money in there. So now you got no business here. Look, the 4 hours just came in. What does 4 hours represent here? Oh, he left. Okay. Look at here. 4 hours represent what in here? It represents a pullback. So now it's don't even try to do business with gold now. It's too late. It's too late. I don't know what is going to happen from that point. All I know is I'm seeing a 4 hours pullback. So yes, if this continues as a pullback, in my opinion, market is going to come back and retest our 23.6 Fibonacci line. Then what? Boom. It will drop. Pay attention. Pay attention. This is good. This is a good one. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Let's do one more because I'm getting excited here. Thank you, Fernando. Appreciate it. Who else? Dorian already did. Anyone else, guy? Mr. Fernando, you want to unmute yourself? If you do, let me know and talk to us.
Mr. Irving, how are you?
Good, good. Mr. Fernando, before you say anything, hopefully your family is doing better. Or your son is recovering, so you are on my prayers. And I see the group is also cares about the health of your son, so hopefully everything is going better.
Thank you very much to you and to all the members of the group, because they always ask about my son's health. Feeling better right now, so thanks to God. I'm very happy for that, and just to tell you that I'm very proud to be part of this group. There are great traders here, and you are the best mentor, really.
Thank you, Fernando. So you got any question for us today?
No, thank you. No, thank you, Mr.
Okay, good. Damn, man, I'm drinking so water. Okay, thank you, Fernando, and thank you for being an example to the group. Really, I have to call this Mr. Fernando's tragedy, because you're the one who opened my eyes to this, to the world. So I have to give you credit, and it is what it is. So
tell you the truth, I feel, you know, a little ashamed about that. You don't need to do that. Just call the red arrows and the big arrow, the 4 hour arrow. That's all. You don't have to call Mr. Fernando.
We're gonna do that. If you said it, we're gonna do that. But this is good. So my respect to you on this one. So I know it's helping many traders. Look, one way or another, we are gonna live this world better than we found it, because we had the best minds and multiple time frame channels. So thank you guys for being that. All right. So thank you, Fernando.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Let's do one more question and then we take it off. Let me read the chat room. All right, so we got Detrick. He's saying, when this post, I missed the beginning. Oh, this is live, Detrick. You can rewatch it. We are live here. I know you. I'm reading the YouTube. Mr. Williams said, did everyone catch up pips on gold? Yeah, look at that. This is gold. I gave you guys this on Sunday. This is using multiple time frame. Williams, look at this one. I don't know if you want to come and join us, do it. Look at here. I told you, brothers and sisters, come in here. Our signal was on point. Boom. Look at this one. This is what I gave you guys. I don't know what system you guys using, Mr. William. I know I'm reading the YouTube, guys, but I don't know whatever system you are using. I don't know. Maybe your system told you to enter here as a sell, which is a pullback. Don't do it. Yes, don't do it. If it's telling you to sell here, slap your face. Don't do anything. All right, so let's go to our last question. I heard a female voice here.
Irving?
Jeremy.
Hey, man.
Good? Hey, what's going on?
Not much, man. I wanted to see if you could look at GA for me real quick. I just want to make sure I looked at this right.
Yeah, but what are you doing on that?
I'm selling.
This thing is acting up. All right, let me take this off because I don't want to take the those trade because I had to teach people tomorrow. GA. I'm sorry, what were you doing on this one?
Selling it.
Okay. What's your master trend?
I'm seeing it as bearish.
Okay, good. I like how much you guys have learned, man. Now it's like normal to you guys. But let me see. Let me correct it. Oh, give you credit. You say it was bearish or bullish?
I'm seeing it as bearish. Like when I zoomed out, I saw it was bearish. Like the master.
Good. What's your question? Oh, this is good. Okay, go. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead. Tell me what's going on.
No, I just wanted to make sure that I was in the right. So like I caught it the first drop and then the second drop, and so this third one where it went up, and now we have. I have to call it the Fernando because that's how I. That's how I was like. Hey.
You don't want that to be credit to him. Trust me.
I was like, hey, we got Fernando. You know, hey, then we know we in or we out. So, I see it there now, right? And so I was just trying to make sure that I'm still on the right side of it.
Damn, this is good. This is good. I like it. Good job, man. Really. Look at how simple this is, guys. Look at this. Go ahead. I know the world is watching me on YouTube, but if you are using a different system, go and check your system. Is your system tell you what's a sell? Your system tell you here was a buy? Sell? Look at this one. I know. Fernando, I'm going to give you credit only for today, and then I take off. I don't know what to name this because you are the mindset on this one. Look at here. Look at here. Boom. Look at what this trader is telling us. This is Mr. Jeremy. Look, he is trading with the trend. That's what the money is. The money is in the direction of the trend. That is what the money is. Look, he make money. You make money on this three movement, right? I mean, you're on the third one.
Yeah, the first two, and then I was waiting for the third.
So you got out in here.
Yeah, I got out. Yeah, I got out with the buys. I got out of there.
That's good, man.
And so, like, I think AJ is doing the same thing, and there's another pair. I forget.
Look, how simple can this be, it, guys? This is super, super simple, but that's good. That's good. You know why you guys make this so simple? It's because the way how we create this is so freaking simple, and it's no reason to overthink about it. It's just, it is what it is. Let the market come to you instead of chasing the market. Here you're chasing the market. Here you're chasing the market, or you enter in an early stage. Because a lot of traders, even if the trade is in a sell position, they will enter in the middle of the pullback, thinking, okay, the arrow is gonna happen exactly what I'm gonna put that sell. No, please don't chase the market. Let the whole signal to set up, rest, come back. This is what we were talking with Mr. Elliott. I think it was Mr. Elliott. We were waiting for one or two dots. Look at this one. Look, the signal came in, right? And then look at what happened in here. So this reconfirm what? Reconfirm your entry. So now you're taking the entry with more confident. So you say, okay, I'm going with the trend. Boom. If I'm gonna lose the trade, well, fine. I'm gonna lose it with respect, because I'm gonna know, okay, this guy took me out, but it was a nice loss instead of just losing for fun. We're taking a very educated decision in here. But this is a good one, really a good one. But thank you, Jeremy. Appreciate it, man. You're doing a great thing.
I appreciate it. Thanks, man.
All right, no problem. Let me see if we can bring a female before we let her go. Donnie, I'm sorry. I don't know who. Janet, I don't know who that is. Lorena, you got any question? Any female? Sasha. We're gonna leave Mr. Wonder to the end, because to Mr. Wonder, I'm gonna ask him one question and he knows what's going on. Sasha, any questions, Sasha?
I think I'm all good, Irvin. But thank you.
Come on, you guys need to ask. Oh man, but that's good. That's good. So hopefully you guys learn a lot. Guys, I'm gonna give you the dashboard this week. Just send me a message. I'm gonna start releasing it from now till Friday. So I'm gonna take my time. I know there's a lot behind scenes that I have to do, but if just send me a message and I will start giving it to you guys. All right. So, and just remember, I want you to save the template, two template. One, name it, I don't know why you name it, but name it TeamWithERVING Master Trend or TeamWithERVING without the dashboard. TeamWithERVING with dashboard. So, so like that you will know. Because at the end of the day, I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna go back to this one because people love to read when the signal gets triggered and they tell you exactly, oh, I'm gonna sell, oh, I'm gonna buy, oh, I'm gonna sell again. This is a gorgeous trade. Damn, this trader here is good. Look at this one. And sometimes people say, Irving, why don't you make signal? Guys, you guys are a signal. We don't need to pay for signal. You guys become the signal. You guys can make a signal system on your own, sure. But you guys are the signal in here. You guys, look, I don't pay for signal. You guys are my signal for free because I make you pro at it. But thank you, Sasha. Appreciate it. All right. So before I let you go, guys, just want to let you know, everyone, once again, thank you for coming in. If you guys are finding value of this one, make sure you give me a thumbs up on YouTube. If you guys need to do more videos, remember, comment below, be motivated. Let's go, let's get this money. Let me see what David says. Can you also teach us how to use the Fibonacci trend line? Yeah, I mean, that is behind scenes, sir. Fibonacci is super, super simple. Usually Fibonacci works using, look, brothers and sisters, brothers and sisters, brothers and sisters. You don't really need a Fibonacci. You can have it in there. Fibonacci is only for YouTube. But look, this, all you got to do is go with the trend. If the trend is bearish, only look for bearish. If the trend is bullish, only look for bullish. That's simple. Okay. So thank you guys again. I'm very proud of your work. So I'm going to start giving you guys the dashboard. Go ahead, start sending me a message. And so if you guys don't have any questions, remember, we are gonna be live tomorrow. Hopefully you can join us again. Let me find my guys. All right, Mr. Wendell, are you ready? All right, guys, so thank you again. And if you guys don't have any question, guess what I'm gonna do next?
We go drop the dragon.
Let's go. Thank you guys, appreciate it.
Thanks, Irving.
No problem. All right, guys, thank you again. Be safe, wear your mask, and I will see you tomorrow. All right, take care. Let me stop this. I will have a hard time saving. And then, let me go here, stop this. Stop light trimming, boom.